Hello everybody! Today we're gonna be making fluffy slime. Let's get started. So we need to pour in the glue first. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Yep, there you go. And now I may need some water. I'll pour that stuff in. Now we need some shaving cream.
Eat some food. You never eat anymore.
Okay.
The things that they are using to against Brandon are also
I know I am. We're gonna mix this up. Oh, I think it's starting to gain that slimy texture. Oh, ah, this is wonderful. When I finish mixing this up, it's gonna be fluffy AF. I think we just ran out of shaving cream doing this, but I don't care. At least I'm gonna have a second batch of slime. Yeah, my first batch of slime is upstairs. Yeah, before I go get that batch of slime, I'm gonna have to clean this up. Yeah, I'm gonna go get that slime. Alright, I now have the old slime batch with me. I don't think it's really slimy that much. More like sticky texture. Ooh, look at this slime. It smells pretty good because I added lotion to it. And the lotion smells pretty good now. Ooh. Nice. Now I gotta get back to stirring this slime up. Alright, now let's see the fluffy texture. It didn't really turn out that fluffy, it turned out kind of liquidy and sticky. It wasn't really that fluffy, but I don't give a fuck. And we don't have food coloring. You know, maybe next time I should, you know what? If this video gets like 10 likes or so, I'll do a slime where I replace the water with soda. Now, the types of soda I have are Cherry Mountain Dew, Root Beer, Sprite, 7-Up, and Fanta. So yeah, I might use one of those. Ooh, I think it's kind of getting the fluffy texture now. I think I gotta keep stirring. Sorry, I spit. Ooh. Ooh. I think it's getting that fluffy ass texture. I'm gonna keep stirring. Is it fluffy? Pretty sticky, but still fluffy at most. I gotta get a bit of it. Yeah, it's pretty sticky, but it's still kind of fluffy. I think I just used up the last of the shaving cream. Let me check. The shaving cream just clean. I'm just gonna mix it. Join my hands. This is the first slime I made. It was made with lotion, and this is the newest slime I made. It's fluffy slime. It was made with shaving cream. This was epic.